Bring your big hair on over here for this last song. We've got Chris, Kelly, Kevin, and Drew. They are the big guns over here on the City Center stage. We've got some great 80s hair metal with you today. I want to know amongst you guys, like, who is your favorite 80s group? What are you saying?
I'm going to say, I don't know, it's technically 80s group, but like the David Lee Roth era, Van Halen probably.
Yeah, okay, fair. What do you got?
I'd say Queensryche.
Queensryche, okay.
I'm going to go with Motley Crue.
Motley Crue, also a good one. Kelly?
Throw a White Snake in there.
White Snake, all right. So do you guys end up fighting about who you're going to play? No. No, it's okay. It's a peaceable. You win all the time. Okay. Somehow I don't believe that. You got some other strong metal guys over here. So they've got an event coming up the 28th, Saturday, Saloon by the Rail in Tilton, 8 o'clock till midnight. And be sure to give them a like on Facebook. You're going to do one more song for us. What are you going to do here, Drew?
We're going to do Poison, which is none of our favorite band from the 80s, but we love them anyway, so we're going to play a little ditty from them.
Well, I'm glad because I like Poison, so that's good. I know our friends do at home too. So be sure to give them a like on Facebook. Check it out. Thanks, guys, for being here. We appreciate it. It's the big guns right now on the City Center stage. We'll see you tomorrow.
Here's your Poison, Stephanie Brad. This is what I say. Don't need nothing but a good time. How can I resist? Ain't looking for nothing but a good time. And it don't get better than this. Well, I spend my money on wind and rain. I couldn't tell you where I spent last night. Really sorry about the state I'm in. I just like my thorn every now and then. Always working, slaving every day. Gotta get a break from the same old. I need a chance just to get away. If you could hear me think, this is what I say. Don't need nothing but a good time. How can I resist? Ain't looking for nothing but a good time. And it's all get better than this. I raise a toast to all of us who are breaking our backs every day. Wanting a good life, such a crime.